Wowee. Jeepers.
Heading to town Saturday. Tomorrow's the flea market. Hopefully it'll be better weather than the last one. Sold my Paul Revere and the Raiders record I finally listed. I'm only putting on for $30 because of conditions. But I sold my He-Man set already. Got an offer of $15 on my civil defense ashtray, but I got like 3 watchers on it within a few hours, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it and not take his offer. Then in 4 years, when I see it still on the thing, I'll know I should have taken that offer. There's a yard sale going into town, so we're going to stop at that. And then there's one on Monroe, but I'll probably go to Goodwill and look around first. My filming buddy Michael used to work here in casting artificial limbs. He did that in film school. Yeah, it was mostly furniture and stuff. They had a parking meter that wasn't in great shape, the top one, you know, and for $45. And they had a big sled, I think it had 150 on it. So I don't think there was too many bargains for resellers, but they had a couple cheap things, but a couple room divider screens and some other junk, but just nothing I needed. I don't know. Probably go down. Maybe I'll go down Monroe before I go to Goodwill. I cannot see. This guy parked his freaking truck right by the driveway, which makes it a little tough to get in and out. Oh, there's a yard sale right there. Across the street from my friend Nate's garage sales. Huh. Another bust. That guy had a bunch of stuff. He had a Harley. Asked me if he had any movies or music, and he said he had a whole backpack full of pornography. I said, no, I don't need that. Somebody gave it to him to sell, supposedly. I don't know. This yard sale down here, I think, is a Chrome Baby fan, the movie I was in. Ding dong, ding dong. Document not running over this bicycler. I know whose yard sale that is. I'll stop on the way back. I see her out thrifting a lot. I can't remember. She doesn't use that many movies or anything like that. Left my phone at home. My stepdaughter was there, and I got all my crap together, and I forgot it's still plugged in charging. Well, I guess I'm going without any extra assistance today, because I'm sure not going to drive all the way home to get it. The guy just gave me a red light, thanks. My bench is still there. I gotta run to a post office. I was hoping maybe there'd be another sale to go to, because I haven't been away from Goodwill long enough for them to get another card out or anything. It's on TV, Mary. Hey.